Hi friends, good morning everyone. Myself Mr. V.R. Sanav, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Kekivak Polytechnic Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the indexing method. Basically, we will study direct, plain and compound indexing. So the first type of indexing is the direct, or it is also called as a rapid indexing. For direct indexing, the worm and worm wheel of index head is disengaged first as shown in figure. Then index plate having 24, 30 and 36 hole circle is then fitted to the front end of the spindle nose. A spring loaded pin can be pushed into any one hole to lock the spindle with frame. While indexing, the pin is first taken out and then the spindle is rotated by hand. After required position is reached, index pin once again lock with frame. Direct indexing is used for milling of square, hexagonal nut, bolts on milling machine. With 24 hole plate, we can divide the periphery of work into 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 equal division. We will see one example of direct or rapid indexing. To divide the work periphery in 8 divisions with the help of 24 hole plate. So the index movement is 24 by 8 equal to 3. Hence we should move the pin by 3 holes after each teeth is cut. Then we will see the second method of indexing, that is plain, or it is also called as a simple indexing. Plain or simple indexing involves the use of universal dividing head, which is shown in this diagram. When the plunger is pulled outward, the plunger pin comes out of the index plate hole. When the plunger is rotated for the calculated turn, the crank rotates. The crank rotates the worm shaft and ultimately the spindle through the worm and wheel attachment. The index plate with circle of holes patented by Brown and Sharp Manufacturing Company. So these are three standard plates. So plate number 1 having 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 concentric holes are provided. Then on plate number 2, the concentric hole circles, that is 21, 23, 27, 29, 31 and 33. And on plate number 3, the concentric holes, that is 37, 39, 41, 43, 47 and 49 are provided. In simple indexing, the index plate remain fixed by means of lock pin connected to the frame of dividing head. So index crank movement is equal to 40 by capital N, where capital N equal to number of divisions required on workpiece. If the index crank movement calculated from the above formula is a whole number, the index crank is rotated through that complete number of turns. For example, 40 by 8 equal to 5, where index crank will be moved 5 full turns. And if index crank movement obtained is whole number and fraction, then the numerator and denominator of the fraction after simplifying are multiplied by suitable common number, which will make the denominator equal to number of hole plates used and numerator will denote number of holes to be moved. So this is the example. So we will see the example. Find the index movement for cutting 25 teeth on a spur gear blank. So index crank movement equal to 40 by N, where N equal to number of divisions required on work. So we can put the number of cutting teeth required in that particular formula, that is 40 by capital N, where capital N equal to 25. So 40 divided by 25 equal to 40 into 3 divided by 25 into 3. So here we will take the 3 as a digit common and multiplied it to 40 as well as 25. Then we will get 120 divided by 75, and it will be simplified like that, 1 into 45 divided by 75, and finally it is simplified as 1 into 9 by 15. Hence index movement will be 1 complete turn of the index crank and 9 holes on 15 holes index plate. Similarly, problem number 2, find the index movement for cutting 28 teeth on spur gear blank. So index crank movement equal to 40 by n, where n equal to number of divisions required on work, that is 28. So here 40 by 28 equal to 40 into 3 divided by 23 into 3. After simplifying, here the value is 120 by 84, and again when it's simplified, the remaining value 1 into 36 into 84 equal to 1 into 9 by 21. Hence index movement will be 1 complete turn of the index crank and 9 holes on 20 hole index plate. Then this is the third type of indexing, that is the compound indexing. It is used when the available capacity of the index plate is not sufficient for the given indexing job. In other words, when the workpiece periphery cannot be divided by simple indexing method, compound indexing is used. It is trial and error method. The method consists of two basic operations. First operation is to turn the index crank through required amount as it is done in case of simple indexing. Second operation involves turning the index plate and crank both either in same or reverse direction, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise, thus adding or subtracting the further movement from that obtained in the first operation. So index crank movement equal to 40 by capital N equal to small n1 divided by capital N1 plus minus small n2 divided by capital N2, where capital N equal to number of divisions required, capital N suffix 1 equal to whole circle used by crank pin, then capital N2 suffix 2 equal to whole circle used by lock pin, small n suffix 1 equal to holes moved by crank pin in N1 whole circle plate, small n2 means hole moved by plate and crank pin in N2 whole circle plate. Then there are some steps for compounding indexing. We will see one by one. The first step, resolve into factors the number of divisions required. Then choose at random two whole circles. Subtract the whole number of one circle from other. Factor the difference. Place the factors of division required and factors of difference above horizontal line. Factor the number of turns of crank required for one revolution of spindle and factor of two whole circles below the horizontal line. Cancel the common factors above and below the line. If all the factors above horizontal line are cancelled by those below the line, the two whole circle chosen can be used for indexing. And if factors above line do not get cancelled, then go for another combination by trial and error method. The factors which will remain uncancelled below the line should be multiplied to obtain the number of holes in whole circle plate to be moved by two indexing movement. We will see the one example of compound indexing. Explain procedure for indexing 69 division by compound indexing. So index crank movement is equal to 40 by capital N equal to small n1 divided by capital N1 plus minus small n2 divided by capital N2, where n equal to number of divisions required, capital N suffix 1 whole circle used by crank pin, capital N suffix 2 means whole circle used by lock pin, small n1 suffix 1 means hole move by crank pin in n1 hole circle plate, and small n suffix 2 means holes move by plate and crank pin in n2 hole circle. So this is the formula of index crank movement. Here we will put the value, the number of divisions required, that is capital N. Hence 40 divided by 69 equal to small n1 divided by capital N1 plus minus small n2 divided by capital N2. Now here we will take the factor of number of divisions required, that is 69. Hence it will resolve into 23 into 3. Index circle 23 and 33 are chosen randomly. Then we will take the difference of that index circle, that is 33 minus 23 equal to 10. Again we will take the factor of these differences, that is 10, that is 2 into 5. So this is the factor of number of divisions required, that is 23 into 3, and the differences factor, that is 2 into 5. Then these factors of number of divisions required and differences will take above the inclined line, that is 23 into 3 into 2 into 5. Then below the inclined line the factors of 40, 23 and 33. So the factor of 40 is 2 into 2 into 5, that will be taken below the inclined line. Then factor of 23 is 23 into 1, that is also taken at the below the inclined line, and factor of 33 is 3 into 11, that is also taken below this inclined line. Okay, so here all factors are taken in this step, that is 23 into 3 into 2 into 5 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 23 into 1 into 11 into 3. The common factors above and below line are 23, 3, 2 and 5 are cancelled. Hence plate circle 23 and 33 can be used for indexing is correct. Hence capital N1 equal to 23 and N2 equal to 33. The factor which remains uncancelled below the line are 2 into 2 into 11 equal to 44. Therefore 44 is the number of holes moved for indexing. The next step here, the 40 into 69, that is 44 divided by 23 minus 44 divided by 33. Here whatever the value we obtain, that is put into that formula, and after simplifying here we will get the final answer, that is 21 divided by 23 minus 11 by 33. Means use less number of whole plate first and use trial error method of addition and subtraction to obtain 40 by 69. Thus for indexing 69 division, the index crank should be moved by 21 holes in 23 hole circle in forward direction, and then plate and crank are moved together by 11 holes in 33 hole circle in backward direction. So this is the example of compound indexing. Thank you.